What's up, y'all? Welcome to Dee LaVigne. If you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you're notified every single time I put out a new video. Today, I'm back with an Hermes handbag unboxing. Y'all, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Also, because I asked y'all on my Instagram recently what type of videos you guys love seeing from me the most on this channel, and you guys all were like unboxings. Like, I don't know what it is about unboxings, but all of y'all love seeing them. I guess I could see, because I love watching unboxings too on YouTube from time to time when I'm on the Stairmaster, you know, getting it in. So yeah, I am super excited to share this handbag with you guys. Let's get started in the unboxing. So it comes in this box. If you are an Hermes lover, you know, you may have an idea of which bag this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And clearly it's not like a true unboxing because I actually wore this bag already because I bought it when I was out of town. I forgot where I was. Y'all, I've been traveling so much, like several times a month. So I'm drawing a blank, don't even remember which city I was in when I picked this up, but I forgot to pack a handbag. Like, I literally brought a carry-on and I forgot my handbag. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I need. Okay, so ta-da! Here it is, you guys. It is, here, let me take this because like I said, I wore it. So anyways, my bad, back to my story. So I wore it out and then my SA had to ship me the box. So yeah, it comes with this because I didn't check a bag or anything and I didn't want to check this and it would have gotten damaged in the suitcase. So get this out the way. So yeah, obviously I took the stickers and everything out, but I'm so excited to have this Picatinny 18 in Noir, which is their black, with gold hardware. I was actually surprised. If y'all don't know, like, even these bags are becoming hard to get your hands on. Like, when you go into a store, they just automatically 9 times out of 10, unless you're like VVVIP, they'll tell you that they don't have any bags in stock. So I was shopping. Oh, this is where I was at. I was in Houston. I believe this was Houston at a dance comp. And so yeah, I was looking at shoes and I was like, hey, you know, feeling them out. And shout out to him. He was so cool. Like, he actually still texts me from time to time, seeing if I like need anything. He was like, I do have a Picatinny in the back with one with silver hardware and one with gold. I went with the gold because I actually have another Picatinny already in a color with silver hardware. So I just wanted to go with the gold based on that. But honestly, hardware doesn't really matter on this bag, I feel, because it's so minimal. Like, you don't really see the hardware. I love that this bag has 4 feet on the bottom. Let me see what's in here. Oh, so inside of here is, oh my goodness gracious. Oh, are the keys. And you know what? Like, a lot of y'all are probably like, Dee, like, really, this is such like a basic bag, but I have been into basic bags lately. Like, I feel like I did my bag collection way different, or like opposite of what usually people do, which is they start off with like neutral color bags so that they can get a lot of wear and use out of it. But when I started, I was all about like the pops of color and like the different styles and super different and super unique. Well, the problem with that is, at least for me and my lifestyle, I could barely like wear them and style them from day to day because I'm always in like workout wear, casual wear, like just very basic casual workout-ish type outfits. So now, fast forward years later, I'm like, dude, I need more neutral bags. I need black bags, like neutral bags that I could just wear, grab and go with everything. I don't have to think too much, especially right now with my lifestyle. I have 2 extremely active kids. So this was just like so perfect for me. I am so happy to have this bag in my collection. I personally, the Picatinny is one of my favorite bags from Hermes. I just love it. I love how understated it is. It's kind of like a if you know, you know bag. And yeah, it's just a perfect grab and go. The only thing I wish they need to like put like a longer strap or something maybe, but I don't know. I love it though. I'm interested actually, you guys, in the next size up. I think it's Picotin, is it 22 or 24? I don't remember, but I only have it in the size 18, but I was so happy to get this baby in my possession. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. What video would you like to see from me next? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.